Switching accounts in YouTube on Google TV is quick and effortless once you know where the account menu lives. Whether you use multiple Google profiles or share the device with family, here's the clean, step-by-step guide to switching instantly. Start by opening the YouTube app on your Google TV. Using your remote, navigate to the left sidebar menu, then scroll all the way up to the profile icon at the top. Select it, and you'll see a list of every Google account currently signed into the device. To switch profiles, simply highlight the account you want and press OK. The YouTube app will reload using that profile's recommendations, watch history, subscriptions, and personalized settings. If the account you want isn't listed, scroll down and choose Add Account. You'll be prompted to sign in using your Google credentials. Once added, that account will appear permanently in your profile list until you remove it. To remove an account you no longer use, go to Settings, Accounts and Sign In on your Google TV home screen. Select the account and choose Remove. This clears its data and prevents accidental logins. Switching accounts is seamless and takes only seconds. Perfect for families, shared TVs, or users who maintain separate YouTube profiles for personal and work use.